From AAAFx, this is Chris Lewis taking a look at dollar yen. You can see we drifted lower during the day. It was a pretty noisy day, though. You can see we sold off pretty quickly. We bounced, we pulled back, and we bounced again at the end of the session. I think this is a market, looking here at the 4-hour chart, that you have to be very cautious in over the next 24 hours. I think at this point, any pullback has to be looked at as a potential buying opportunity. That suggests to me that people are perhaps trying to get away from this ahead of the non-farm payroll number. And if the jobs number is even remotely good, that's going to turn this thing around. Longer term, it makes a lot of sense if this pair goes higher. The Bank of Japan supposedly has one governor willing to hike interest rates by 0.1% to bring them to zero. In other words, you can drive a truck between the interest rate differential, and therefore you do get paid to hang on to this. It's very difficult to short this pair for any significant trade over a longer period of time because your portfolio will bleed along the way. And don't for a second think that big traders don't keep that in mind. So I'm looking for a buying opportunity on a dip. The 50-day EMA would be an interesting spot. If we recapture 49.8, that might be an interesting spot to go long. 147.33, I would love to be down there, but that's going to take a brutal Thursday and perhaps even a brutal Friday to even touch that area. So as things stand right now, I'll be watching the hourly chart on bounces. I'll be buying little bits and pieces, hopefully adding as we rocket higher and go looking towards 152. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel.